Yeah, originality is key. Let people know who you are. When people see you the way you are, they will help you. Yes, they will help you. But you know the phone. I don't wear this kind of shoe. Guys, see, I'm not saying you shouldn't fall. I'm not saying you shouldn't be that chick that you want to be. I'm not saying you shouldn't be like, have your own kind of spec. But please, know where you want to form. Know where you want to do that shakara. Know where you want to, big up yourself. So hello guys, you're welcome back to the channel. This is your host, your girl, AJ of Honey's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Yes, look at me today. So guys, you're welcome to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, you're welcome. And if you're new here, please endeavor to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and give a beautiful comment. So in my today's video, I wanted to share with you a post which I saw on my status, and I decided to bring it to you guys. See, the bottom line of life is, people that will help you, don't misguide them, and don't give them misinformation that you have it all, yet you have nothing. Some people will travel to abroad 2 weeks, just 2 weeks. Hello, how are you? How you doing? Whereas someone that has been in the abroad 10 years is not even speaking like that. Hello, what's your problem? Where are you carrying yourself to? This fake like that people are living these days, I don't get it. I really don't get it. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the next clip. Please watch, and when you finish watching, please come back and let's analyze it together.
Madam, where don't know?
I'm going to Oju Elegbao.
Eh?
Oju Elegbao.
Oju Elegbao. Then I enter na 10,000.
For waiting. For Oju Elegbao, you want to use leg waka go. No be 1,000 naira.
Madam, Oju Elegbao na 1,000. But you see that Oju Elegbao na 10,000. Which one you dey go?
Oju Elegbao.
So did you watch it? Oju Elegbao. I'm going to Oju Elegbao. After they give her price like this, she just say, Oju Elegbao, where have you waka? No be 1,000. The guy say, no. If now Oju Elegbao, na 10,000. If now Oju Elegbao, 1,000. Which one you want? You see, for me, you no get money, you dey form. So guys, be original. Be original. Originality is life. Be yourself. Be yourself. Let people perceive you the way you are. Don't form. Don't be like, you can imagine when someone meets you for the first time and, they want to take you out. So let me bring it on. I've been in this country for a while now, so permit me to speak, that kind of language which I think I need to speak to you guys. So you're meeting someone for the first time, and they decide to take you out, and you've already said, no, I'm this kind of a person, I'm that kind of a person, I don't get to eat this kind of food, I don't, you keep forming, you keep being who you are not. They carry reach you place where you go chop, then bring correct nosh, correct food. Hell, hunger don't they wire your head. Hunger don't they wire you, don't they mama you. What you go do now? After you don't talk, say, I don't eat this, I don't eat that. You go begin sweat for inside cloth. How? You see correct nosh. Me we don't talk, say, I know they do this, I know this. How go take how go take change down? But you know go fit change, because the guy don't they accept you, don't they see you as this is my kind of babe that as spring, she's the girl, she's the one. Omo, drop it, come down from that bus stop, Bolembe, Bolembe, come down, be yourself. As my sister, be yourself. Yeah, originality is key. Let people know for who you are. When people see you the way you are, they will help you. Yes, they will help you. But you know the phone. I don't wear this kind of shoe. I don't wear that kind of shoe. This is the kind. I've been traveling to America. America, you go can't they mention place where they for London for inside America. You don't know that. Even sometimes you don't even know the kind of people that you are gathered with. You don't know, but you'll be forming like that clip now. Ojú like ball. Omo, myself. I won't go to Yalba. I'm going to Yalba. Hey, now Yaba they call Yalba. Omo, what go does they go? Because they don't understand my language now. They don't understand my English. Because I want to big girl. There's so many big fake people out there. And you see what? People are beginning to see them as, oh, look at that. Look at her. She's living the life. She's living the life. Oh, I wish. Don't ever wish for anybody's kind of life. You don't know what they're going through. You don't know the kind of life they're living behind. It's only the surface that you are seeing. Because they will come. Duh. Hello, girl. How are you? Oh, yeah. I live in Lakey. Meanwhile, Okoko Michael, you deliver. Okoko Michael, I just came back from England yesterday. I was in New York. Where in New York? I was in Dagenham in New York. Omo, you don't miss out. If that person that you are telling is actually the kind of person that travels a lot, that's how they are going to bust your bubble. Bang. Want to ja iṣẹ́ nìyẹn. Iṣẹ́ ti ja. Omo begin run. Because you can't fit in where you're supposed to fit. Even if you're going to be fitting in, even around the rich ones, they will love you for who you are. Originality, let people know you. Oh, you know that girl, she's so original. She doesn't live that kind of fake life. This fake life is killing a lot of people. And this fake life is pushing people to do what they are not supposed to do. Yes, fake life is not good. My brother, my sister, be yourself. Live a kind of decent life that people will emulate. Are you guys catching the drift? Huh? Are you catching it? I don't fall for anybody. Where I'm supposed to use my hand to eat, I will use my hand to eat it. I will not use fork that I cannot use. I will now be forming it outside. So guys, I hope I've been able to light up. Now put a smile on your face today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like you all know, this is Honey's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Fine, it's a cooking channel, it's a lifestyle channel, and I bring so many things that happen around me to you guys. This is why I want to stop, because I'm running late to where I'm going to. Time has gone. I'm supposed to be there for 11 o'clock. So I'll see you guys again next time. Take care, stay safe, and God bless you. Me, I'm original. Originality is key.